Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of Yo on the Go. Today I want to talk to you about your career as a business enterprise. In many ways, careers today are not governed by a singular corporation. Pensions are gone. It's now very portable with 401ks. In that your career is dictated by your own decisions and the market space in which you play in. And with any business, the market space may change from place to place. So in that, you want to think about your career as a business enterprise and in which you can be guided by market forces. Now with that, since a company is not really beholden to you and vice versa, and having to be able to change jobs, change cultures, there's a lot of benefits. You have a lot more opportunity out there, but also negatives. There's a lot of new cultures you have to work with. There's always making new friends and trying to network and trying to connect within that organization. Those are all challenges. But there's actually something that you can use now today that is very similar to the guilds of old. And that's really your professional societies. I, for one, am part of the IEEE, and I've been a member for many years. I'm actually a senior member. And as part of the IEEE, it enables me to access a cross-section, across companies at a very, very early part of my career, and gave me opportunities for leadership in which I didn't have in my current position, as well as the ability to work with folks over the course of my career. And so those are all very useful skills, all very useful opportunities, and it's that thread that helps go across the platform of your career through multiple companies, through multiple opportunities. So consider signing on at an early part of your career to these professional societies, IEEE, Materials Research Society, Physical Society, all of these societies. May it help you in your future endeavors. Until next time, bye.